Hello students. Today we are going to learn about human body and its parts and sense organs. Human body is a wonderful machine created by God. It can see, hear, smell, taste and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe and reproduce. Our body is made up of many small parts called cells. Every living thing is made up of small structures called cells. Just as the walls are made up of bricks, a class is made up of students, in the same way all living things is made up of cells. The cell is the basic structural unit of living organism. Cells are very small. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. Cells of the same kind join together to make a tissue. Tissue combine together to form larger units to form an organ. Example: stomach, intestine, liver, kidney and heart. These organs carry out various functions inside the body. And many organs together form an organ system. Different organ systems work together to make it possible for the body to play, grow and do many other things. So the order of the things are: first, cells. When cells group together form a tissue. Then tissue combine together to form an organ, and many organs together form an organ system. Now parts of body. Our body has three main parts: the head, the limbs and the trunk. The head contains important organs like the eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Head the brain, which controls and commands the body. Brain helps us to understand what we see, hear, feel, taste and smell. The brain also instructs different parts of our body to move or react to these. Trunk. Trunk is the middle part of the body. Limbs. Our arms and legs are commonly known as limbs. The arms have different parts like hands, fingers, nails, wrist and elbow. Arms help us to catch things, pick them up and play. We have a pair of legs which helps us to walk, run, kick, dance and skip. The different parts of the legs are the thighs, knees, ankles, feet and toes. Now sense organs. The main sense organs are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and the skin. All these sense organs are connected to the brain through nerves. The sense organs send messages to the brain. Brain makes us understand pictures, sound, smells, taste and feelings. So, there are 5 sense organs in our body. Eyes for sense of sight, ears for sense of sound, nose for sense of smell, skin for sense of touch, and tongue for sense of taste. So eyes. Our eyes help us to see the world around us. We see different colors, objects with our eyes. They help us to enjoy the beauty of nature and recognize things. Our eyes are very precious to us. We must clean our eyes regularly to keep them away from any disease. The eyelids act like a shutter of the camera, thus protecting the eyes. Now, ears. The ears helps us to hear different sounds around us. We can identify different things with their sound, even if we cannot see them. There are different type of sound around us. Some are pleasant and some are unpleasant. We have to clean our ears regularly. To get the wax out of the ears, always use earbuds. Never put any sharp object into the ear. Now, nose. The nose helps us to smell different things like the fragrance of flowers and aroma of eatables. We also breathe through our nose. The nose helps us to smell things around us. The fine hairs inside the nose traps the dust particles in the air and helps us to breathe air. Always keep your nose clean by blowing gently. Always use handkerchief or towel to clean your nose. Now, tongue. The tongue helps us to speak and taste the food we eat. There are many taste buds on the tongue which help to identify different tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. The tongue also helps us to speak. The tongue should be cleaned daily. Now, skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. It is the outer covering of our body. We feel things with our skin. It tells us if something is hot, cold, rough, or smooth. Skin protects the organs inside our body. We have to bath daily to remove all the germs and dirt from the skin. So today, that's it. Happy learning.